Time to clean the microwave again. Danielle back, Danielle's Homemade Products. Time to clean the microwave again. It's got all kinds of splatters and yuckiness in here. I took their top rack out so that I can wipe everything down a little bit easier. So I'll get I'll get my rag wet and in there steaming, and I'll bring it back in a momento. I'll set it for 2 minutes. When the timer is done, then it's time to not burn yourself while you wipe it out. I'll be back in a minute. Timer has gone off. I did let it sit for just a few seconds, probably about 30 seconds to a minute, just because I didn't want to burn myself. And the nice thing about the rag is still hot though, so I can still burn myself. Don't let me fool you. But the nice thing about it is, because the rag has steamed everything, it does very easily wipe out. It's hard to record and wipe out at the same time. That guy I'll wipe out separately, just because I need 2 hands for that. Well, he's ready to come in. It is butt shivering cold outside, so can't say I blame her. Alright, so I'm going to let her cranky butt in. And then I will wipe off this baby and get microwave back assembled. I'll be back in a minute. But freshly cleaned, no more splatters. This is a little damp still, but that's alright. It's not going to hurt anything. And even the door is nice and clean. Took all of what, I think the longest part of it was actually waiting for the rag to heat up, which, like I said, I put it on for 2 minutes. So there you have it. Nice, pretty clean microwave. Ready to be messed up within the next month and having to be redone again next month. See you soon.